Hey guys, Jacob here at ePoolSupply. Today we're going to go over the A&A Style 1 pop-up head tool. So the pop-up head tool, it works for just one pop-up head, and that's the A&A Style 1. This is their original guy that came out in like 1985. And ultimately, this is a bi-pin tool, so it's got these two pins that are way far apart from each other. And this tool actually has like a slanted tip on it, so it can slide in nicely and actually grip the head, which is great because you don't want this thing falling off in the middle of the water and you'll fish it out and try it over again. So it's kind of cool how it actually pops in there and now it's not going to come out. So you can actually put it in, turn it to install it, or put it in and loosen it to uninstall it. So when you take it out, so across from here is 2.5 inches from side to side. So it's a good way to identify if this is the right head and tool for you. So these holes are probably close to about 2.25, but again, it's going to say A&A MagnaSweep Quick Clean, something along those lines, and this will be the right tool for you. A&A currently does not offer a metal tool. Right now it's 2019, but we're hoping something comes out soon for all those stubborn pop-up heads that have been stuck over the years. So then you can get some good torque on it. So again, the pop-up head, the tool goes in, slides into the grooves, which is awesome. This little wing nut loosens up. It goes on your pool pole, the same one that you brush and net your pool with. So that way you can get it all the way down to the bottom of your pool, give it a half turn, tightens it into the collar, and then you can just pull it right on out and your head stays there. So pretty awesome, pretty easy. We'll have a live action video of it going inside of a pool actually, so you can see the start to finish process. So I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.